Hello, my name is Nichole Brown, and I'm a children's librarian for the Oakland Public Library. And I'm going to show you how to connect into Kanopy and get to the kids interface. We're going to start with the Oakland Public Library website at oaklandlibrary.org. Once we are here, we're going to click on Online Services. Once we're on Online Services, we're going to scroll down until we see ebooks and other digital content. We're going to click there. Once we're in ebooks and other digital content, we're going to click on streaming video. Streaming video is in green. Excuse me. Once we are in streaming video, it's going to scroll down for us. We have three options: Overdrive streaming videos, Hoopla movies and television shows, and Kanopy. All three of these are fabulous, but we're going to do Kanopy. I want to show you some things about Kanopy. In bold, you're limited to 5 checkouts a month, but that's only for the adult interface. Children's streaming is unlimited, and that's why I like it. So let's continue. Once we are here, you have two options. You can log in, that's in the far right, or you can scroll down and add a library card. It should already link you to the Oakland Public Library, as you can see on the top left, because we started with the Oakland Public Library website. If by a strange fluke it did not, just click on Find a Different Library and you'll be able to easily find us with a quick search. I can show you what that interface would look like. And here we are. It says, do you have a public library card or are you a student or professor? Oakland Public Library, of course, is a public library card. You would just click Find Library. Once you found your library and got to the prompts, they're going to ask you to add your library card. Clicking here to add a library card is very easy. You're going to type in a library card number and a PIN and hit Continue. When you hit Continue, it's going to ask you to set up an account. When you set up an account, it's going to log you here. Ta-da! And there we go. See that? I'm going to put in my email. We're going to put my PIN. Ta-da! And I'm going to hit Login. It says welcome back because we do use this often at home. This is my home computer. And here we have the adult interface of Kanopy. It's wonderful. We have credit-free viewing, which I've been enjoying. That means you can watch these movies and it doesn't count against your 5, and all sorts of other fabulous things. But you're saying, I don't care about that, Nichole. What about the kids? Good point. So we're going to go top up our credits, my name with all of our options, and go to Kanopy Kids. Let's go to Kanopy Kids. And here we go, our kid-friendly interface. Everything here is curated and targeted directly to our younger children, preschool to about 12. It's fabulous. And they've already got science and math, quick flicks, everything you'd want. And if you come up here, you'll notice that they also have a browsing option. And these are also just a quick way for kids to get around animals. Let's say we do animals. And there we have movies, TV shows, the whole line. So it's really fun. Kids can really explore on their own because they're on the kids safe site. So let's say we take one of my children's favorite stories, Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. They'll love this one. And then we click on this. From here, it's going to start looking really familiar. We have related videos on our right side. We're able to create lists. We're able to share. We're able to hit play. This is very easy. The kids will be able to do it by themselves. You'll be able to help them out, no problem. And when you are ready to watch an adult movie or an adult TV show, all you have to do is click Exit Kanopy Kids right there. And then so by now I'm like, you're thinking, wait a minute, if I can just as easily click Kanopy Kids to go to an adult, can't my kid do that? Yes, they can. But what I really like about this service here is they provide parental controls. So where my name is Nichole, that's where your name will be. You're just going to go on to parental controls right there. Now the parental controls now are turned off, but you could just quickly turn them on and put in the 4-digit PIN of your choice. There you go. And now when we go to Kanopy Kids, simple as pie. And you can give the kids the computer. They'll play with it, they'll enjoy it, they'll have a good time. But if they thought that without your permission they could switch out of Kanopy Kids, there's your PIN number. And so then they would have to know your PIN to get out. But that's it. And so that way you can give them the computer or the tablet or the laptop and they can enjoy the kids' interface. And of course, when you are ready to enjoy something a little bit more adult, you just put in yours. And there you have it. You're back on the adult side. When you are ready, when you're ready and you're done, all you have to do is log out. And you have logged out. So please enjoy Kanopy Kids. I hope that you and your family will have fun with it and explore and find some good things to watch. Thank you very much for being with me today. I look forward to serving you in person again soon. Stay safe and bye-bye.